I just got this personal automatic hand sanitizer dispenser from Aroma. Let's have a look inside. As I open it, there's a user manual, a cord as well. Here is the sanitizer dispenser. I can unscrew it, put the liquid into that, screw it back up. I see that it is a lithium ion rechargeable, so the cord obviously is going to allow you to recharge this unit. You don't need to use the AA batteries like most of the competitors offer. You would turn it on. It's got a white light showing that it's on, and when you place your hand there, it will put the hand sanitizer onto your hands. Perfect. It's automatic, so you don't need to touch anything. People don't need to be pumping hand sanitizer. You just need to place your hand there and it would spray out the hand sanitizer. Awesome product. Love it. Get yourself one.